ताकि प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना ग्रामीण का 100% लक्ष्य पूरा हो सके?
माननीय मंत्री जी।
Sir, in Delhi, they have never been participating in Awas Rural Yojana, sir. However, they have been participating in urban scheme. In Delhi, so far 692 crore central assistance has been approved, and ever since the new government has come, they are free to contact us and participate in our rural scheme, and we will be happy to provide, sir. Thank you.
सर, मैं मंत्री जी को धन्यवाद देता हूं। एक मेरा पूरक प्रश्न है कि मैं माननीय मंत्री से जानना चाहता हूं कि प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना के अंतर्गत किन किन राज्यों अथवा केंद्र शासित प्रदेशों में अब तक निर्धारित लक्ष्य पूर्ण नहीं हो पाए हैं और ये निर्धारित लक्ष्य कब तक पूरे हो सकेंगे तथा लक्ष्यों की प्राप्ति में विलंब के कारण क्या रहे हैं। साथ ही ऐसे राज्यों में जो पात्र एवं गरीब लाभार्थी अब भी वंचित हैं अध्यक्ष जी, उन्हें शीघ्र लाभान्वित करने के लिए सरकार द्वारा क्या क्या विशेष कदम या कार्य योजना अपनाई जा रही है?
Sir, the government of India, ever since Modi ji has taken the seat, we went systematically for allocating houses for the entire rural community who deserve it, sir. Based on 2011 socio-economic caste census data and 2018 Awas Plus survey, we have given 3 crore houses, sir, and again 2024 survey, another 2 crore houses have been sanctioned by the cabinet, sir. Total 5 crore houses have been given by the cabinet under Modi ji government. Out of those 5 crore houses, 4.12 crore houses have already been allocated to respective states. Out of those, approximately 3.8 crore houses have already been given to the states. Out of those, 2.9 crore houses have been constructed, sir. The government of India, if you look at it over the last 10 years, sir, we have given Sir, over the last 10 years, the central share released was 2.71 lakh crore, sir, compared to 2013 and 14, the 10 years of UPA government, only 66,000 crores was given, sir. So we are working on giving these houses on a saturation mode by converging every possible government scheme, sir. The 2024 Awas survey has 2 unique features, sir. Number 1, it has eKYC, sir. This is anybody can stand in their land and take a photograph, and this based on this photograph, complete Aadhaar authentication, eKYC authentication, self-registration is possible, sir. This is the first time in India that no eligible candidate has been withheld of a deserving house, sir. Anybody, doesn't have to be the state governments, an individual can self-register, and we have plenty of houses to be given. So I request all the states and officials to take self-registration and survey and participate, sir. And we're happy to give as many houses as possible, sir. Thank you.